Good morning students, this is Puri Reswal. Hope you all are safe and sound at home. Today I am just going to teach you more science, and this video is basically for class 4th. I know that you don't have books, but don't panic. You see the video and note it down all your assignments or exercise work in notebook. If you don't have new notebook, you can do it in your previous notebook. Now let us start chapter 1 of more science. The chapter name is smoke signal. This chapter teaches us that God is always with us. Here is a message. We all go through difficult times. During difficulties, we often complain that God does not listen to us. But the fact is that God is always with us. He guides us through our good and bad days. God always helps us. In present scenario also, we are going through the difficult times. We all are locked down at our houses. But during this period also, we can do a lot of good things. You are studying from home and we all are teaching you through online classes. So we all should be thankful to God. In this chapter you will learn how God helped a man to save his life. Now let's start the chapter. There was once a man who was shipwrecked and landed on an island. Here the wrecked means destroyed. Means the man's ship was destroyed anyhow and then he landed on an island. Every day he prayed asking God to send someone to save him, but to his disappointment, no one ever came. Months passed and this man learned how to survive on island. During this time he collected things from the island and stored them in a hut he had constructed. When the man was landed on an island, he was not knowing what to do for his living. But after some time, he started collecting things and he also made a hut on that island. One day after hunting for food and returning back to his hut, he saw that his hut was on fire along with everything else he owned. He saw one day after returning home that his hut was burning and whatever he had, he kept all the things in his hut. So all his things with the hut was burning. All his possessions, property or wealth were going up in smoke. The only thing he was left with was his clothes on his back. He was shocked to see the fire. He felt angry. In his fury means very much anger. He began cursing God. Cursing means saying bad words to God or abusing God, and started shouting, God, how could you let this happen to me? I have been praying every day for months and now everything is on fire. How could you do this to me? Later, the man was on his knees and crying when he suddenly saw a ship coming in his direction. The ship came closer to the island and saved the man. After some time, when he was cursing God, he saw that a ship was coming nearer to the island and this ship saved the man. The man asked the captain of the ship, how were you able to find me? The captain replied, we were voyaging across the ocean when we noticed smoke going up from the island. We decided to check out and that is how we find you. The man felt sorry for cursing God. He realized that everything happens for the good and God is always with us. This means that the burning of his hut was for his good because the smoke which was going up in atmosphere made the captain notice that there was something on island and that's why the captain came to save the man. Now by this story, we learn that God always loves us and is always with us. During our hard times, we start complaining that God is not paying attention to us. But the fact is that God never takes his eyes off us. God has plans for each of us. We should trust his plans and see the good in them. Now, these are some difficult words and these are their meanings. So, all these difficult words with their meanings, you note it down in your notebook. Now, it's the time for assignment. Let's see the first question. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why did the man pray to God every day? The answer is, the man prayed to God every day because his ship was wrecked and he landed on an island. The second question, When the man returned after hunting, what did he see? The answer is, when the man returned after hunting, he saw that his hut was on fire along with everything else he had. Now question number 3. How did the captain of the ship know that there was a man on the island? The answer is, the captain of the ship knew that there was a man on the island when he noticed smoke going up from the island during his voyage. Now see the next question, fill in the blanks. The first is, God guides us through good and bad days. So what is the fill up? Guides. Second, months passed and the man learned how to survive on the island. So what is the fill up? Learned. Third is, the man was crying when suddenly he saw a ship coming in his direction. So what is the fill up? Direction. Fourth, the ship came closer to the island and saved the man. So here what is the fill up? Island. Fifth, the man felt sorry for cursing God. So what is the fill up? Cursing. Now see the next question. Third, the man felt sorry for cursing God. He realized that everything happens for the good and God is always with us. So what is the first question of this extract? Question number 1. Why did the man feel sorry for cursing God? Answer. The man felt sorry for cursing God because when he suddenly saw a ship coming in his direction to save him, he realized that God always helps us. Now next question, question number 2. What had happened for the good? Answer. The burning of his hut had happened for the good because the captain of the ship noticed smoke going up from the island and then only he reached the island to save the man. That's all work you have to do in your notebook. I will check it when the school will reopen.